Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to hide a comment on Facebook using the latest update on the web version for PC. If you've noticed that the Facebook interface recently changed a bit, don't worry, the process is still simple once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer by going to the Facebook website and logging into your account as usual. Once you're in, go to your profile page or your newsfeed to find the post that contains the comment you want to hide. This can be a post you've shared, a photo, or even an update where someone has replied. After you've found the post, take a moment to scroll through the comments until you locate the one you'd like to hide. Maybe it's something off topic, maybe it's negative, whatever the reason, you're in full control of what stays visible on your post. Now, here's where the update comes in. Instead of hovering and searching through small icons, simply right-click on the comment itself. A menu will appear with a few options. From that list, select Hide Comment. Once you click that, Facebook will instantly hide the comment from your post. Don't worry, the person who made the comment won't get a notification about it. The comment will just disappear from public view, but you'll still have the option to unhide it later if you change your mind. Facebook will show that the comment is hidden with a small note, and you can choose to unhide it by clicking the option that appears right next to it. This gives you flexibility and control without permanently deleting anything. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a comment on Facebook using the new web layout. It's quick, clean, and keeps your posts looking exactly the way you want them to. If this helped you out, make sure to check out more of these simple Facebook tips to make your online experience smoother.